Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum. And it is an honor to be here and talking to you about the leveraging AI in academia to prepare the future leaders for the smart real estate and construction industry. Today we will be talking a lot about this new coming industry, and I have prepared some of the slides which is going to highlight the importance of this technology. Because AI is not only everywhere, it is in the construction and managing construction, and management is also there. Especially the rise of this AI is reshaping the industries, altering the traditional paradigms, creating opportunities for innovation never before. And academia is crucial in equipping students in order to prepare them with the knowledge of AI and tools to lead this revolution. In today's evolving, rapid changing environment, AI is poised to revolutionize energy sector, and this sector including real estate and construction. These industries face unprecedented challenges, and there are really a lot of challenges. And definitely challenges start from climate change, urbanization to labor strategies, and changing customer demands. AI offers a powerful toolkit to address these challenges to enhance efficiency and data-driven innovation. Coming to my slides, especially the rise of AI is reshaping industries and creating unprecedented opportunities. And AI can definitely there these challenges as the climate change, urbanization, and labor shortages as well. Now coming on the design and planning parameters, we have generative design tools, which is AI-powered building information modeling software and tool, which is known as BIM, and it is deal and involved with the predictive analysis for the site selection and redefining architecture, design, and urban planning. Similarly, if we take the example like Autodesk software, which is a generative design which can optimize energy efficiency and occupant well-being as well. Coming on the construction planning and project management, here also AI power management tools, robotics, and predictive maintenance systems are streamlining workflows and enhancing safety. Example, one of the companies known as Katara is using, and they have deployed AI to optimize construction processes and predict potential delays. I can show you what Katara is doing in the construction business. Basically, they have optimized the construction process by using AI-driven tools for schedules and workflows. Similarly, in design automation, generative design algos for cost-effective layouts. In the supply chain management, these tools are used for the procurement and rightly procurement of the material in terms of these AI tools. Similarly, for sustainability efforts, AI is suggesting economic-friendly materials. And economic material friendly means how you can prepare the technology and use technology for selecting the materials as well for the right place and site. Similarly, they are also using smart technologies, IoT sensors. I hope everybody is familiar with the IoT sensors. They have made your life very comfortable, and these sensors are ensuring safety and efficiency basically. Now coming on the property management. Smart building technologies are also used for optimizing the energy consumption and designing factors. And example, you can use the smart thermostats, learning occupancy patterns to optimize comfort and efficiency as well basically. Real estate investment and finance, then basically AI is used again for investment in order to make decision making. And decision making is an important aspect in any field. If you are investing in certain areas and you want to select a site, maybe you want to establish a place, farmhouses in certain locations, then you need data to predict the AI, the efficacy and importance of these predictions as well. So he can, or the AI can give you the specific effects, and your decision making will be done on the basis of data provided to the AI tools. Then also there are risk assessment tools, inform, they are likely to be used in making your decision, and they will be informed decision making. Example, I'll give you credit, Atif for PropTech, doing a wonderful job. He has started, and nobody has started in Pakistan yet, for providing a platform analyzing market trends in property business. Now coming on the academic role. Now, as you know, this is a new technology, and AI is being integrated from the initial level. And my question is, are we prepared? So we have to take certain measures in order to start taking technology into this business. And from this business, I have defined a strategy, because the importance of AI potential, academia must prepare students with the interdisciplinary expertise that combines technical skills and industry-specific knowledge also. Definitely, there are some strategies for academia. That is integrating AI into curriculum. That is, you need to develop tailored programs that incorporate into AI, like architecture, urban planning, and construction management courses. You have to integrate AI into this in order to help this sector. Example, I can give you world examples like MIT. MIT offers AI-focused urban studies courses, where students design smart city prototypes, integrating AI-driven traffic systems and sustainable methodologies. So people have started, like AI, Stanford, MIT have started these things, technology, into the construction business as well. Now, coming to the fostering collaborating learning, we need to develop partnerships with industry leaders to provide students with real-world experience, exposing the cutting-edge technologies. So it is the industry and the academia should join hands. Similarly, in order to do that, I can give you the example of Stanford. In Stanford, researchers use AI to model earthquake resistance designs, which are contributing to safer construction practices as well. Similarly, when you emphasize ethics in AI, and that means each student on ethical AI development should follow the rules and regulations of the industry as well. Now coming to innovation and research, we should create AI research hubs in order to provide support to the industry, where urban and sustainable design should be developed. Example, which I've given you already, Stanford Earthquake Resistance Design Centers, which are giving a specific support to the industry. Now, I've talked already about the ethics, because in this industry, the most important thing is the privacy. Privacy in terms of data, in terms of algorithmic bias, because whenever you are integrating or developing any algos that can support the AI design, so there should be no bias of individuals. It should be designed for the betterment of the community and the developers and the architectures. And job displacement concern also. There is a fear that AI can replace people, but I say not yet. People are the main focus. AI is driven by the data provided to the AI, and you are the people who are providing data. So whatever design you want to develop, it has to be redefined into the tools, and they can give you different directions and different designs, so you can select one of them. Now, promoting lifelong learning, it can be done only through academia industry linkages, that is basically continuous education to workshops and certifications. So we need to start these workshops in order to educate our industry also, because not many people in the industry are familiar with this AI culture. So we need to start workshops, and as an academic partner of PropTech, Atif and ourselves have decided that we should introduce this workshop at IoBM. And soon, and you're going to hear about that. Similarly, online courses can also be one of the options to update the AI skills and develop these AI skills basically. Basically, they are tools, and that tools need to be used. And in order to use these tools, you have to prepare yourself in order to use these tools. Now, one of my aspects was to introduce some of the tools which are being used abroad, not in Pakistan. Maybe some companies may be using these types of tools into their daily practices and usual working routines. So I'll introduce one by one. Analytics. Analytics offers AI-powered platform that uses CCTV or existing video footages to analyze the site construction or monitor site safety and productivity. That means through this CCTV, the AI tool is going to give you the impact, what is going on in the construction site, what are the risk factors, and different aspects of analytics from where you can diagnose how the work is being done. Similarly, every guard AI focuses on using AI and variables to enhance workers' safety as well. So this is being used by the computer vision, and in order to develop the safety purposes, again from the camera sides, you can identify the potential hazards before they lead to accidents. This is one of also the tools being used. Then Alice Technologies. Alice Technology is an AI-powered construction planning software that uses machine learning algorithms to generate and evaluate thousands of possible construction schedules. So they are the software which works on your schedule, because in Pakistan, you are always lagging schedules. So this software is going to help you in scheduling your plan. It helps also the contractors to find most efficient paths, optimize resource allocation, and minimize project delays as well. The other software is Assigner, which offers construction operation platform that leverages AI to optimize workforce equipment management. It's an AI-driven scheduling tool ensuring that the right resources are available at the right time. So that means it is also redefine your supply chain as well. You don't need high level of storage places. You need to know when is the requirement of that material, and that material will be there in required timing. Now, BuildDots is another AI tool which is used to provide real-time project management insights by comparing 360-degree site scans with project schedules and plans. It performs identify discrepancies. It will going to give you discrepancies as well. It will track your project progress as well and suggest adjustment and to keep the project on schedule. So this is one of the good AI tools. Then Anplan. Anplan machine learning to analyze historical project data, predict future project outcomes. Its AI-driven platform helps to create most accurate project schedule, identifying risk and providing recommendation to avoid potential delays. Then AI in construction design and planning. There is a software known as Schema, and this software provides designers with the ability to automate, build a full BIM model. And basically, it's done through simulations in minutes, utilizing the existing BIM inputs to generate details and allowing them, the team to focus on the design itself. Then there's one more, which is known as Spacemaker. AI provides AI-powered platform that helps architects and urban planners to create optimal site plans. This platform uses AI to analyze various design options, taking into account these factors like sunlight, noise, wind, and regulations to generate the best possible layout buildings for their spaces, basically. TestFit is another of the AI tool, which is a AI-driven software to automate the generation of building layouts and site plans. The plans allow architects and developers to quickly create and evaluate multiple design scenarios, optimizing for factors like unit mix, parking, and building efficiency as well. Now you can see this diagram as you are thinking that it's generated by some architect using some AutoCAD software. Is absolutely generated by a AI tool. Not only the AI tool restrict and allow all the things which you are imagining to put inside the design, and it's going to give you different options as well. So that tools only is going to emphasize your requirement by taking certain inputs and give you these designs. AI for cost estimation and budget management. There is a Conwire AI tool, which is a cost estimating and bidding automation software that provides quick and accurate cost estimates and improve bid team productivity and collaboration efforts. So you don't have to worry about your financing. There's another tool which is going to assist in your planning with financial efforts. Now, the next tool is the Bill Exact, offering estimating and job management software that leverages AI to streamline the cost estimation process. The platforms help to build and help the contractors create detailed cost estimate quickly and accurately, manage budgets and track expenses in a real time. This is a very important tool because whenever you take the services of the contractor and when you ask them, please provide us the detailed billing, you're not going to provide that detailed billing which is required by your firm. He's going to give and highlight the broad aspect of the contract, and you need the detail. So these tools is going to make your life easy. Now, how to do that? Because it's not being in academia, it's not in the industry. What should Pakistan do? What should PropTech do in order to introduce all these technology into this construction and property management softwares? So I have devised 3 points. One of the points is AI is a game changer for the real estate and construction industries, offering unprecedented opportunities for efficiency, innovation, and sustainability. So this is a great advantage which AI can deliver to this construction business, basically. Similarly, how can it be done? By the industry alone? No. You have to prepare Pakistan for developing this sector, and it is not going to develop itself. We have to create a academia-industry linkage, which academia is going to play a crucial role in preparing the future leaders with the AI skills and knowledge needed to thrive the construction AI technologies. Similarly, the last part is when you integrate the AI into curriculum, providing hands-on experience, fostering industry collaboration, and supporting research, academic institutions can empower the next generation to shape the future of the building and construction industry environment. Any questions? Please.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
Assalamu alaikum ji. My name is Amir Qureshi. I'm the CEO of Magna FM Academy, an online training and coaching platform. And it is specifically for the facilities management industry. And I'm the downstream industry from what you've just said. So these are all 2 to 5 to 10 year projects and constructions and land development. When that happens, where does that property end up? It ends up with facility managers like myself, who then have to look after that property for the next 50 years or 100 years. What kind of technologies are you teaching your students for that part? Not the 2-year or a 5-year span that you've just mentioned, or a 10-year span, let's say, but for the 50-year span, where that building has to be sustained and operated and maintained. So any plans on introducing those kind of courses?
Okay. There are different universities in Pakistan which is offering, which is the dying engineering discipline, which is called civil engineering. And these are the things which are related to civil engineering, like NIT offers civil engineering, lot of other universities. So these are the things which should be incorporated into the civil engineering. But technology should not be dictated only for them also. Technology can be of anybody's part. And in order to introduce the technology, it can be introduced in any of the sectors, like in computer science. We should introduce it is not introduced yet, introduce a sector for this property and construction. We have signed an MOU with the PropTech in order to introduce this thing into the CS domain, software engineering domain, and data science domain, so that all the 3 technologies can integrate with AI and give you services which you are likely to be benefited.
Just another just a comment, just to add on to your. So I do a lot of consultancy work offshore. Okay, not here in Pakistan. It's basically in the US and the European domain. Basically, I have seen with my own eyes my colleagues in facilities management who take on these $500,000 to $1 million line item complaints or errors or maintenance jobs. They put them through these AI tools and come up with predictive or even prescriptive maintenance. Okay, and these massive data mining exercises are now being done. I've seen it with my own eyes, where massive amounts of data are put into these AI tools, and they actually come up with solutions on whether to how to upgrade or how to maintain or change equipment or even change parts, etc. So that facility management domain outside the borders of this country are way ahead of what we typically called a Mistri or a MEP engineer or a utility engineer. It's way beyond that. It's much more sophisticated, much more evolved. Okay? So we're quite behind right now as far as AI and technology is concerned. Okay, thank you.
In which I will make a comment. You're absolutely right. The universities in Pakistan is not offering this services management in their curriculum yet, but it is a growing field. So I expect the academics, with the help of the industry, should elaborate this factor and go ahead and plan something so that we also generate leaders for this field as well. Similarly, there are tools which are used for data analytics, in which you make decision making on the basis of your data, and it will give you predictive analytics as well, and it will give you preventive analytics as well. So there are a lot of tools in the data analytics which can guide you in doing these things as well.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for the wonderful presentation and specifically pointing out certain applications that can be used in AI from a practical purpose. I represent Azil Project Management. I'm the CEO, and I would like to ask you, what is the practical application of AI tools in the Pakistani industry?
Okay, this is a very good question. As I have identified the different tools in the different aspects, and project management portfolio, you can use different tools, and the decision making, you need data analytics tools, and in terms of cost management, you can have different tools. So there should be a complete ERP system to be developed and offering the different parts of this business. So I suggest there are some ERP systems, not in Pakistan, abroad, that may provide the procurement system as well, the supply chain management as well, the designing factor aspects as well. So it can encompasses all the elements of all the things which is catered by the construction, starting from the planning phase to the execution phase, so that you can perform everything on the system, and AI can direct you and assist you as well. So there is no, I've seen not yet any system in Pakistan. Abroad there are systems, as I have identified different systems for doing different aspects of different for construction industry. So it's not yet being developed in Pakistan, but we are here to take a startup case to develop this industry as well in taking up the technology. Only last question, please. Last question.
बहुत आई ओपनिंग डिस्कशन है ये। सिर्फ बात ये है कि हमारे मुल्क में इसकी शदीद ज़रूरत है, जो आप सारी चीज़ें बता रहे हैं। डिमांड है और एक तरफ सप्लाई साइड है और एक तरफ डिमांड साइड है। जो मिसिंग है वो है हाउ टू कनेक्ट दिस। एवरीबडी हु इज़ बिजी इन देयर डे टू डे बिजनेस is not interested to spend and invest in this development work, and the academia and industry collaboration is the need of the day. इसमें जो इसका बिजनेस प्लान बनाना किसी स्टार्टअप के लिए और इसके प्रोडक्ट को मैच्योर कराना, उसकी एप्लीकेशन को थ्रू एक्सपीरियंस इसको मैच्योर करना, it takes a longer time if it is not being properly guided by the experienced people, और उसमें इन्वेस्ट करना। और ये एक है कि हर फील्ड के लिए, ख़ास हर एक में आजकल जो है एआई का इस्तेमाल है हर फील्ड में, लेकिन इसको इस्तेमाल करने के लिए इंडस्ट्री और एकेडमिया के लिए हमें होता ही है कि हम ऐसी मीटिंग्स में बहुत वार्म गुफ्तगू करते हैं, लेकिन उसके बाद उसके ऊपर एक्शन नहीं लेते। तो उसको इस किस्म की फोरम्स के ऊपर हमें कोई ऐसा कंक्लूजन में कोई ऐसे एक्शंस तय करने चाहिए और ऐसे यंग लोगों को आगे करना चाहिए जिनको कोई इन्वेस्ट कर सके इनको मार्केट करने के लिए। दिस इज़ माय स्मॉल सजेशन। थैंक यू।
Thank you very much for a very strong comment. I'll just add what you have said. Basically, there's a need whether we should be a good users and use the out-of-the-shelf solution which are available in the market, or whether we should create our own product in terms of startups. But this requires a very strong relationship between the academia and industry, and the support of the industry and interest. If they do that, then it's a success story. Thank you.